Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about 2025 Range Rover features. The 2025 Range Rover stands as the pinnacle of luxury, innovation, and performance. Every detail is crafted to perfection, blending elegance with advanced technology to redefine the driving experience. As you approach, the sophisticated silhouette commands attention with its seamless design, flush door handles, and signature LED lighting. The aerodynamic profile enhances efficiency while maintaining a bold and commanding presence. Step inside and experience unparalleled luxury, where premium materials, cutting-edge features, and meticulous craftsmanship create an environment of pure indulgence. The plush leather seats offer supreme comfort, with heating, cooling, and massage functions designed to cater to your every need. Handcrafted wood veneers, brushed metal accents, and customizable ambient lighting set the perfect mood for every journey. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the sense of space and openness. The infotainment system is seamlessly integrated, featuring a high-resolution touchscreen that provides intuitive control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Voice command functionality allows for hands-free operation, ensuring convenience and safety while driving. A digital driver display delivers real-time information, keeping you informed without distraction. The premium Meridian sound system offers an immersive audio experience, transforming every drive into a concert-like journey. Performance is at the core of the 2025 Range Rover, with advanced powertrains that deliver effortless acceleration and remarkable efficiency. Whether powered by a refined V8 engine or the latest hybrid technology, the vehicle offers a perfect balance of power and sustainability. The intelligent all-wheel drive system adapts to changing road conditions, ensuring superior traction and control. Adaptive air suspension glides over uneven surfaces, providing an exceptionally smooth and comfortable ride. The terrain response system optimizes performance for various driving conditions, whether on city streets, highways, or rugged off-road terrain. Safety is paramount, with an array of driver assistance features designed to provide confidence and peace of mind. A 360-degree camera system offers a comprehensive view of your surroundings, making parking and maneuvering effortless. Advanced adaptive cruise control maintains a safe distance from other vehicles, adjusting speed seamlessly to match traffic flow. Lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking work together to enhance safety on every journey. Night vision technology enhances visibility in low-light conditions, ensuring a secure driving experience at all times. The rear cabin is a sanctuary of comfort and sophistication, with executive seating that offers reclining functions, individual climate control, and entertainment screens for rear passengers. Active noise cancellation ensures a quiet and serene environment, allowing you to enjoy every journey in complete tranquility. The spacious trunk provides generous cargo capacity, with power-folding rear seats that expand storage space with ease. A hands-free tailgate adds convenience, making loading and unloading effortless. Customization is at the heart of the Range Rover experience, with a range of bespoke options that allow you to tailor the vehicle to your unique preferences. From exclusive exterior paint finishes to personalized interior trims, every detail can be crafted to reflect your individual style. Special Vehicle Operations offers an even higher level of exclusivity, with handcrafted enhancements that elevate luxury to new heights. Driving the 2025 Range Rover is an experience like no other, combining power, refinement, and cutting-edge technology. The leather-wrapped steering wheel provides a tactile connection to the road, while the head-up display projects essential information onto the windshield, allowing you to stay focused on the drive. The intelligent driving modes adapt to your preferences, offering dynamic performance when desired or a relaxed, effortless cruise when preferred. Hybrid technology enhances fuel efficiency without compromising power, ensuring an environmentally conscious yet exhilarating drive. The intelligent energy recovery system optimizes efficiency, making every journey more sustainable. For those who seek adventure, the Range Rover's off-road capabilities are unmatched. With advanced traction control, water-wading capabilities, and a suite of terrain management features, the vehicle conquers challenging landscapes with confidence and ease. Whether navigating snowy roads, rocky trails, or muddy paths, the Range Rover remains poised and capable in any environment. The luxurious showroom highlights the prestige of this extraordinary vehicle, with elegant architectural details and ambient lighting that accentuate its refined design. The polished marble floors reflect the sleek lines of the Range Rover, creating an atmosphere of exclusivity and grandeur. The illuminated display on the wall proudly showcases the name Elite Auto Gallery, symbolizing excellence and automotive mastery. Owning a 2025 Range Rover is not just about driving a car, it is about embracing a legacy of craftsmanship, innovation, and prestige. It is a statement of success, a reflection of ambition, and a testament to those who demand the best in every aspect of life. Whether arriving at an exclusive event, embarking on a cross-country journey, or simply enjoying a drive through the city, the Range Rover ensures that every moment is defined by luxury and sophistication. This is more than just a vehicle, it is an experience, a lifestyle, and an expression of unparalleled excellence. As you stand before this masterpiece, you realize that this is not just about transportation, it is about redefining the way you travel, the way you experience the world, and the way you make an impression. The 2025 Range Rover awaits, ready to elevate every journey and set new standards in automotive luxury. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.